Racing Gas is started. We have Safety's Gold first to show quickness at the start. Darlinghurst in second. Mamika, Imperial Ballet, Luna Rosa comes next. Maliwalas, while Europa is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Safety's Gold by about 2 lengths. And in second is Darlinghurst. Mamika is racing in third. Luna Rosa is down in fourth. Imperial Ballet, Europa is on the outside, while Maliwalas now racing in last back to the leader. We have Safety's Gold by a length, and in second is Darlinghurst. Mamika remains in third. Luna Rosa is down in fourth. Europa, Imperial Ballet, while Maliwalas is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Safety's Gold by about 3 lengths. Darlinghurst, Mamika is on the outside. On the inside, Europa, Luna Rosa, Imperial Ballet, and Maliwalas as they swing for home. We have Safety's Gold by about 2 lengths. Mamika in second. Last 100 meters, we have Safety's Gold followed by Mamika, Europa, Luna Rosa, and finally Safety's Gold. Mamika, Europa, Luna Rosa, Imperial Ballet.
Sabi mo, may katuwiran para magkaroon ng change flavor dun sa kanilang yun.